Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on July the 2nd, 2019. Bitcoin falls under $10,000 as expected correction. Bitcoin failed strengthening on the $11,000 price mark on Monday to sink below $10,000. The leading cryptocurrency has pulled other top 20 coins down, with none of them reporting gains, according to data from Coin360. Earlier, market analysts were expecting a 40% correction from the recent highs of around $13,900. The current price of Bitcoin means that this target is now nearly reached. $9,715 will be the 30% correction for Bitcoin, commented popular trader Josh Rager. Bitcoin has lost 6.50% on Monday and then traded under $9,900. Digital coins fell for a second day on Tuesday, bringing its declines this week to about 20%. U.S. set to implement more tariffs on EU goods. The U.S. added more European Union products to a list of goods it could hit with retaliatory tariffs in a long-running transatlantic subsidy dispute between Boeing Co. and Airbus SE. The Trade Representative's office in Washington on Monday published a list of EU goods on $4 billion worth to target in relation of European aircraft subsidies. The products range from cherries to meat, cheese, olives, and pasta, along with some types of whiskey and cast iron tubes and pipes. It adds to a list of EU products valued at $21 billion that the USTR published in April. The USTR said a public hearing on the proposed additional $4 billion worth of products will be held August the 5th. Stocks largely rise, gold rebounds. European stocks edged higher following a mixed session in Asia as enthusiasm over the latest US-China trade truce eased. The Stoxx Europe 600 index opened with 0.2% gain, marked the highest in 2 months, while futures on the S&P 500 index tumbled less than 0.05%, after hitting record highs in the wake of the weekend deal between the US and China. In Asia, shares climbed in Hong Kong and its dollar strengthened as the market reopened after a holiday to catch up with Monday's move. Despite violent local protests overnight, Chinese stocks were steady. On the commodity market, gold rebounded after a drop on Monday. Precious metal rose 0.6% to $1,392.77 an ounce, the biggest gain in more than a week. Oil surges as OPEC extends supply cuts. Oil gained on Tuesday as OPEC and its allies agreed to extend supply cuts until next March. Despite this, prices were pressured by worries demand could ease amid hints of a slowdown in the global economy. Brent crude futures for September delivery rose 17 cents, or 0.3%, to $65.23 a barrel, after earlier falling to $64.66. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures for August traded up 9 cents at $59.18 a barrel, after touching their highest in over 5 weeks on Monday. U.S. crude oil stockpiles were seen falling for a third consecutive week, a preliminary Reuters poll showed on Monday, also supporting prices.